Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview CynLink RGB color-changing LED Pool Light 12-volt 40-watt. CynLink LED underwater pool lights can provide brightness to light up a 40,000-gallon pool, equivalent to 300 to 400-watt pool bulb. It also saves your electricity bill. Unscrew the old lamp to replace the LED pool light bulb, as it is compatible with Pentair Amerlite, Hayward Astrolite series. The RGB Pool Light Bulb has many light choices. Blue, red, and green colors can be mixed and matched into various color combinations of your preference. Features: super bright and energy saving, remote and switch control, excellence quality and scientific cooling, easy installation. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.